Hi there. I would like to show you how to force HTTP into HTTPS, or if you are not using a www in front of your website, and I want to show you that also. I am actually hosting my website on AWS EC2 instance, and you can also try it using the free tier if you haven't. So you see the Amazon EC2, so that's what I'm hosting my website on. And by default, if you want to do a DNS, you could use Route 52. That's part of like Amazon AWS. That's what I'm using though. And for the web server, I am using LiteSpeed because I have checked, and based on my comparison, it's kind of faster. And so there is a Cyberpanel, like if you have already used cPanel. So Cyberpanel is a tool that comes with LiteSpeed. If you want to install it, you could do that. And when you sign up, there is also a free version for Cyberpanel that you can use. And here I'm actually using those two, and on my this is my I already logged in, so this is my setup. So if you go to dashboard, you can see like I have a hosted zones, and that's so the Route 52 by default using a Linux version, Ubuntu version of it. So this is where like T2 Micro is a free, it qualifies for a free version of it actually. Okay, so if you would like to know how you could install the LiteSpeed, you can here, I think instances. Okay, so if I click on launch instance, so here you can see there are a bunch of, and the one that I have, there are a bunch of those, and I'm going to search for LiteSpeed. You can see there is a LiteSpeed web server, there is a WordPress with LiteSpeed cache, and also there is this Cyberpanel. Okay, so if you select this one, you can, it also qualifies for the free T2 Micro, free tier eligible. So first of all, you need to select the Cyberpanel and install this one. So once you install the Cyberpanel, then you should be able to, like, I'm not going to install it right now because I already did it, but I'm just showing you, like, if you at all you want to do it. Okay, so there are a few steps that you need to follow through. Like once you install the Cyberpanel LiteSpeed web server, and it will let you install the WordPress. Okay, so the whole video I wanted to do this is to just show you how to force HTTP into HTTPS. So currently I have my website here, and this is my cPanel, like Cyberpanel that I have here, and my website is this one, indoleu.com. To websites and list websites here, and once you see that on your Cyberpanel, so this, like, generally you will have a Cyberpanel for your URL. I mean, like the IP address, and then 8090 is port, and you will be able to log in. Once you log in, then you click on this manage the website. So here you can see there is the section where you can do the rewrite rules, and I previously created the SSL, so this is more user friendly, so you can just click on it and then launch the SSL. But SSL is created for HTTPS, and there is another version, like your website is also accessible by HTTP, but I don't want people to access it that route, so I want everyone to be accessing with the HTTPS. That's why I'm using the rewrite rules. So I just did indolegal.com, so not HTTPS. You can see it is showing as not secure. My intention is to force, even if the users are going to type it like that, just HTTP into HTTPS, because I have installed the SSL, and that needs to be routed. So now let's test again for HTTPS. So now you can see the padlock sign over there, which shows as a secure website. Okay. Now let's try it again with www.indolegal.com. Now again you see that it's a non-secure website, right? So basically you have to use the Cyberpanel. If you want to go the GUI method instead of logging into the server, so you just go into list of the domain names and click on the rewrite rules. There you will see the select template, and so you can force HTTP into HTTPS by just a few clicks on Cyberpanel, and just click on the save rewrite rules. Then it will save the config file on the LiteSpeed server on your website. So any new request that comes in will be forced into the secure route method, like it's with HTTPS. And also you can set it for www, like non-www into a www website. That way people can see the www in front of the domain name. Okay. And once you set it up, let's go and check it back and refreshing it. So now you can see the padlock is on, which means it took our settings for URL rewrite method. Now we will check the other one by let's click, because if there is a cache still on your browser, so if you refresh it, you can get the changes. That's all I wanted to show. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Take care.